What's good, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Trade by ASYC. Here on my channel, I document my journey, share educative content. If that's something you're interested in, please do well to like and subscribe. Thank you. Yes, guys, I'm super excited doing this to witness 2026. Let's believe our profitable year and put on the work. And this is actually my first week of trading 2026. I pray each and everyone here will witness a profitable month and witness a profitable year. Let's believe and put on the work. This week I took 3 trades, 2 loss and a win. This first week of 2026, I think, if to be honest, it's not a good start to have 2 loss and a win, even though my win is 1 to 3 risk reward. So I have no loss for the week, but it's not a good week or a good start for the year. But if I should say, this particular week is one of my best week because I have a weekly goals that I set for myself to achieve and rules to discipline myself. For that, I was able to achieve each and every rules and discipline that I set for myself. That is my biggest achievement for the week, and I will share a few tips with you guys here, so you can implement in 2026 to have a productive and a disciplined year, because I want each and every one of us to be profitable and make a lot of money in 2026. I created a goal, or I set a goals and created a rules for that goals as my weekly target. So what I did was, no matter what it takes, I don't know how I will do it, but I shouldn't break any of the rules and I should achieve each and every goals that I set for the week. By doing that, I was able to achieve each and every single goals that I set for the week, which include trading aspect and life in general. There are a lot of things that I had a bad habit of. I set as a rules, I shouldn't do so, I shouldn't do A, I shouldn't do B, and I was able to achieve all, and I did not break each and every rules I set for myself, which was a big success for me and was a productive week, because it's just like my days and my life was designed by me, because I know what to do from morning to afternoon, I know what to do from afternoon to evening, I know what time I sleep, and I know what time I wake up. So by doing this, I know we might be disciplined enough to attain profitability in 2026. Please try this and thank me later, and I know I will continue this until 2026 end, and I will come back and tell you guys that I tried this and this worked for me. Let's all try it and let's have a profitable year 2026, guys. Let's hop on the chat. Let me show the trades I took and explain why I took those trades for the week.
Yes, guys, this was my trades, or these were the trades I took last week. If you can see, okay. Overall, if you are trading gold, gold has been bullish all this while. So this was my first trade, second, third, and this was the opportunity I was looking for yesterday, Friday, but I couldn't get any opportunity yesterday. So let's go back. I trade normally from 5 minutes to 15 minutes, which is where I get my POI, because I've done my top-down analysis. I've done my top-down analysis for the week. I know price respected at this other block zone, price breaking this zone, so I was and I trade only New York session. I don't trade London session. I trade only New York session. So on Monday, I came to the chart, I analyzed, and I was looking for the nearest POI with all the criteria I'm looking for, which is that's why I was able to take this particular trade. If you can see, price from here created new higher high, higher low, higher high, but it couldn't break the previous high. It came back and could not break the previous low. So it was in a range middle internal structure. So price came from this bullish momentum. This was the last bearish candlestick that created the break of this particular high. So this is my break of structure. Then price from here, this was the last bearish candlestick that broke this zone. Here that I drew my other block zone, and this is my liquidity inducement. So price came to the POI and did not, which is, let me see the time, around 12:25 p.m. and I used to come to the chart around 12:30. So I saw that I was patiently waiting for a perfect entry. Price came back at around 1:40 p.m. and I wait for the entry confirmation, because I don't just take trades with limit order. I used to wait for confirmation, because gold used to have gold, like as you can see here, you will see a lot multiple POIs that you can take trade from. Maybe if you go to the lower time frame from here, it might be a POI here. So I used to wait for confirmation to see that yes, the sellers or buyers are losing strength in the particular POI. Then I will wait for bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing or something, a reasonable entry confirmation. If you study candlestick, you will know all this candlestick confirmation. So I saw the momentum here and I took the buy. Price just slightly went up in my direction and took me out, and it went straight more than my TP. So this was on Monday. On Tuesday, I did not take any trades because I did not see opportunity with the way I trade. So on Wednesday, I saw that price was reversing. Price was just breaking from the overall high. Price wasn't supposed to take this one, this POI. Price supposed to respect this buy zone to respect the overall previous high, but price came take this low, which is change of character, and price was tanking down. So during my trading time, I analyzed and mapped out all the possible zones. Here is a liquidity sweep, break of structure, inducement, then my POI. Price came, tap, I wait for proper confirmation. Price rejected before I eventually entered the trade here. But I held the trade overnight, and in the morning I woke up around 6 to 7 a.m. 6:30 a.m. it hit my TP. So which was the next same day that the price to hit my TP. I took, which is Thursday. I was still looking for the sell, not buy, but overall market trend was bullish. So if you can see here clearly, price took out this zone, previous low, overall previous low, which is also a break of structure, POI, inducement everywhere. I waited for a confirmation, but price slightly rejected and took me out. So on Friday, this was my POI, first POI, waiting for entry trade. price couldn't come back to this zone. And after NFP, I waited for this breaker block entry to take this particular trade. Price did not tapped the zone, so I did not take any trade Tuesday and Friday. I only took Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, one win, and then 2 losses. And because of the way I took the risk management I had, it wasn't much profit on the account. It wasn't a reasonable profit on the account. Let's see this overview. This is my profile. I have 2 accounts I'm trading currently. I'm trading 2 accounts. What's happening now? Yes. So these are the trades I took. The first trade, I lost $22. Second trade, 1:3. I won $71. So this particular day, I was risking much more than the previous risks. So that's why had it been it was a winning trade, I could have gotten a lot more profit. But when it turned out to be a losing one, I just closed the week with just a little profit of, I think, $12 on this account. I'm in a big drawdown on this account. For 2025, we are recovering this account. See what the calendar is showing, because it was Sunday I closed the position. I don't know why they are showing here on Sunday, but this was my first loss, then second loss, and a win. All good. We just pray for a profitable week on next week Monday, or next week. Throughout next week we pray for a profitable week. If I can secure a 2 win and a loss, this week to be a very good week for me, and I pray you also have a profitable week ahead. Thank you all guys for watching. Please, if you have reached this point, I know you are interested in my content. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's grow together, and let's share. You can share your idea or any suggestion or any type of content that you would love me to share. You can write it on the comment section, and I'm open for anything for you guys. Let's grow together and let's have a profitable year. Thank you guys for watching.